Hey there, what's up? My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks Digital, and today I logged into the good old Instagrams, just hanging out, checking out the video, looking at a couple of videos, and then something popped up for me. So, first thing that occurred to me was, are you really about to actually go for this? Are you going to fall for it? And then I thought, well, it's $10. So yeah, I'm gonna go get it. So what I decided to do was actually create this video for you all so that you can see if you may have the bonuses feature available to you. Now, granted, I only have 2,000 followers on Instagram, so you may just have it. So in this video, we are going to show you, or I am going to show you, like it's somebody else in here. Well, it is somebody else in here, my kids. But on this video, am going to show you how to go into your professional dashboard and see if you may have this good old $10 that they say right here. Now, $10 ain't a lot of money. It's not a lot. But there are a lot of people right now that may need that $10, including my son who is in there, who is in his 20s that need to move out of my house. Go take a look to see what this whole $10 per reel is about. Like, what's the $10 per reel about, Instagram? What are you doing? What exactly are you up to? Well, in this video, like I said, we are going to dive into it. I'm going to take a look and we'll give it a try. This may be a series because I'll need to track as we go along how this all comes about. But $10 per reel, 5 reels, which is a whopping $50. Yoo-hoo. But I'll be repurposing my content. I will not be creating anything new, but I will be going in and showing you guys step by step what I'm doing and how this all turns out. Let's see if $10 on Instagram Reels is worth it. I mean, at first I thought to myself, maybe not. Now I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna go take the money. All right, so here we go. Everyone, now this video won't be recorded in the best lighting because my DSLR camera died. So this is the best y'all gonna get. It is what it is. That's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and shrink myself down a little bit and I'm gonna show you guys what I have to show you because it's really cool. So when I logged into my account today, I noticed that there were a couple of things. Number one, we had, where is it? We had the get paid. There it is. The get paid in chat feature. Don't use this. Don't. Now, of course you can if you want to, but I'll do a separate video on why I'm saying don't use it, but try it out as you feel. Now, this feature right here is a new one. Let me show you guys how many followers I have. Usually you don't get this until maybe 5,000, 3,000 even followers. I have all of almost 2,000, 1950 followers. But when I go to professional dashboard and I log in, here it is. Get started with bonuses. Earn money for sharing new reels. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to take you guys through the process as I go through it. I am going to sign up for it, but I'm only going to sign up for it for y'all. I am going to try to use it and we'll see how it goes. I'll do another video that will kind of be an update on how this goes, but really interesting. They are now offering, and what is notification that I received about my bonuses. So there's a $10 bonus in each reel you make, set up bonuses. So they are going to literally pay me, I'm assuming, $10 for each reel that I create and post on the platform without having a lot of followers. This is huge. I don't know what they're doing right now, but y'all better pay attention. Now, granted, I just did a video earlier about making sure that you monetize yourself, and you absolutely want to, and you want to make sure you do. On top of that, though, if they're going to give you the monies, you take the monies. Okay. So I wanted to share this with you all. Once again, I'll do another separate video that will show you guys the update and kind of what I ended up receiving as a payout. But for now, go check your Instagram. If you, regardless of how many followers you have, I'm going to go through and fill this out. Obviously, I'm not going to fill this out online. But I'm going to go ahead, pause this video, fill this out, and then let you all know if there's anything in addition that I need to share with you. So this is my payout bonus. So create reels and get paid. If your reels engage, entertain, and are hit with your audience, you'll be likely to get invited to bonus opportunities in the future. You can earn $10 for each new reel you create, up to 5 reels. Once you get started, you'll have 3 weeks to earn up to the maximum bonus. So activate before December 30th, and then I'll get the maximum bonus of a whopping $50. So go ahead and activate bonus, and we're off. Now, of course, the only thing, and it says here, you have to create new reels and select what bonus they should count towards. Set up your bonuses, go to bonuses. Okay. So we have it here, how many reels I created in 5. I got reels all day. I don't know who they think they're talking to. See how this goes. Should I put up the first one? I think I shall. So let's do the first reel. Let's go with, here's our reel that I want to post. And then there we go. I'm going to go ahead and share that. We got one reel posted.